All right. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eon. This is the top 10 YouTube live trading losses with reactions. Man, I'm gonna tell you, I've been thinking about trading. I don't know if I trade live, but maybe recording my trades or something. But I might try. I might try to live. And we'll see how it goes. But this is one of my biggest fears. Is trading live and you seeing me in real time stressing out and adding to a losing position, like dollar cost averaging, and it just completely going against me. But anyways, let's see what the video has in store. Yeah, I give you my thoughts on some of these traders. Some of these traders I follow, and I subscribe to their channel because they've always, man, they've been making these trader fail videos for years. So, all right, let's see what they have.
From getting rug pulled by a kid.
Holy Getting rug pulled by a kid is already pretty bad. Like, I wonder if they knew it was a kid.
To losing half of your life savings on one trade.
No! No! No!
These are moments when traders lose massive sums of money and show exactly why trading isn't for the faint of heart. Starting with this crypto streamer who paid a hefty price for a small mistake.
Okay. Lads, we're... Oh, fuck. Was that my seed phrase?
A seed phrase is a...
I was just like, when I was... He's gonna explain what a seed phrase is, but once when he said, well, when the narrator said that it was a mistake and it didn't look like it was a trading mistake, I instantly knew it was the seed phrase. Like, once I'm pretty sure people have potentially saw his like crypto address, but once they get your seed phrase, it's a wrap. And he looked like he was in a nice spot too, so he definitely had some crypto, a nice size crypto wallet for sure.
Series of words that are used to recover a wallet. You see it flash for just a moment on his desktop. He's streaming, and if someone else gets hold of his seed phrase, they can use it to restore his wallet and access all of his funds. In this case, $100,000.
Where the fuck is my...
That's bad, but it's not absolutely, like, if he had millions and I was like his whole net worth, that would have been horrible. It's still bad, but I mean, it's not like he doesn't look like he's gonna be too bad from it. It does suck though. It does suck.
All the fog is out of my wallet right now. All the shoggy.
Dang.
Bro, my... Oh my fucking god, bro. What's happened? No way, dude. I gotta end this. Are you fucking serious?
And in that small time frame of around a few seconds, not only did people use his seed phrase, but they got into his wallet and transferred his funds. Although, why would anyone place their seed phrase right on their desktop, start a stream?
I will say that you're supposed to write your seed phrase down and then put it somewhere safe, because you don't want anybody having access to your seed phrase. Like, that's horrible. And then, like, if you're streaming, like, I will admit, like, sometimes when you're streaming or like you're doing something online, you can't, like, if you kind of have the natural reaction to just maneuver like you're by yourself. So I can get it, but yeah, you should never have your seed phrase on any computer. If you get hacked, it's done already. So yeah, that wasn't a wise decision.
Forget the phrase is even there, and risk $100,000. These things should be stashed away in the most private places possible, and this man is displaying it like a medal. He should have seen it coming. This next guy loses his money in a unique but equally painful fashion. He is a dev who is visiting the Sol Slugs site, likely to burn a coin. Sol Slugs is a site that has developed a soul incinerator, among other things, a tool that allows users to burn unwanted NFTs or tokens to reclaim SOL. Hard to imagine that things could turn ugly over such a simple feature.
I've never tried that before. This is my first time hearing about it. Wait, what happened? How much soul did he have? How much Solana did he have?
He just burned over $150,000 in coins.
Dang. I was curious because I was like, I didn't know how much money he had. Hang on, let me go back and see. Transaction complete.
Now what?
Dang, that sucks. 150 grand that's tough. All right, now I will say, like, his background doesn't look as crazy as the other dude's background, so it's like, I know that I had to hit, but it could be the same hit for him. It could be the same hit, but like, when you look at that keyboard, you like, you think that it's hurting a lot more. Hang on, I'm gonna pause when you get to the keyboard. It just looked like nothing but ashes, boy. Look at that keyboard. You know that 150 was a struggle. Like, that dude was stressing. Because when you have a keyboard like this, you're stressing. Like, I'm pretty sure he's just fucking smoking a lot of weed. But when I know that had to hurt, 150 grand straight at the gate, just from a mistake like the other guys. But I will say the other guys was an avoidable mistake. I guess you could say this one was as well. But I've never heard of burning an NFT. I just personally wouldn't trust it.
He just burned over $150,000 in coins, probably.
Unless I saw somebody else do it, and I might look into it, and I would probably transfer NFT to a different wallet and then see if it worked. And then if it worked, I'd probably, try it.
All the coins he received from his project.
But that sucks. That sucks. Oh, he had a project.
How did he do?
But when it comes to wasting money, not many can compete with this next trader. He has placed a bet on the increase in the share price of Trump Media and Technology Group, having a call option at $40. A call option means that the holder has the right to buy DJT stock at $40 per share before the option expires, irrespective.
Dang, he had to get a break even of 47? He needed a huge pump. I wonder how much DTE he had on this. Expiration. Oh, I mean, he had a couple months, but I mean, really, that option's going to decay heavy. Like, after 20 days,
Group,
maybe 30
having
days,
a call option at
done.
$40. A call option means that the holder has the right to buy DJT stock at $40 per share before the option expires, irrespective of the market price. Naturally, if the DJT stock remains...
Now, I'm also curious if the options were inflated at the time, because if the option's inflated and you buy it, even if it does go in your direction, you still lose
under
money.
$40 anyway, then the option is practically worthless. The worst part of all this, he is using his grandpa's life savings to invest.
Oh, Lord.
Fancy asking for an inheritance after that.
Lord. Come on, bro. I feel this pain. Oh, man.
And he starts the day off terribly, far from the 47.65 needed to break even.
It's so crazy because when I'm trading and I'm like struggling, like I feel as though like, and now this is personal, but I'm gonna be honest, because this is about a transparency trader like YouTube, but like I feel like I'm almost worthless, and then like there's nobody who loves me, and I should just quit trading. Like, really, like that's really some of the thoughts that be going through my head when I'm like on a losing streak or something. But man, like I feel them like you're like everybody hates you, everybody's gonna leave you. Like it sucks. It really does suck. It sucks, especially in that position.
He is clearly not ready to control 165,400 shares in options, where a small fluctuation means a huge swing in profit or loss. And after wasting everything his grandpa worked for, this is what he has to say.
I'm sorry, Grandpa.
In the same way, this next trader blurs the line between trading and gambling with his challenge. Sidechain. Gavin is investing in a relatively obscure token called MERTD for a trading challenge.
I will say this, the price action on this looks horrific. The candles look horrible. The price action is horrible. Like, I would not want to trade this.
He's going to learn not to invest in unknown tokens the hard way.
Hey everyone, this is Sidechain Gavin, and today we're going to do a little trading challenge on this token called Merted. Let's draw some lines so that we know where our local tops and supports are. So like a top right here. I think this is how you're supposed to do it.
When someone
It's not
says,
too bad.
I think this is how you're
Yeah,
supposed
yeah,
to
I
do it
just-
on a trading platform,
I was just about to say, like, it's not too bad, but when he was like, I think this is how you do it, you already know that's not gonna be
you
a
know
good
things
look.
are about to hit the fan.
All right, now let's. I hope that it breaks out over this top right here, and then we could potentially go all the way up. Oh!
Dang.
Oh my God! What just happened? Is this an April Fool's joke? Oh my God! I have to refresh this. Oh my God! We're at $83,000 market cap. Holy shit! I'm ruined. I just got murdered.
Hang on.
Oh.
I wonder where his like can you even see his P&L? Hang on, let me go back before the drop. No, I don't see his P&L anymore. I'm curious how much he lost.
Oh my God! I have to refresh this. Oh my God! We're at $83,000 market cap. Holy shit! I'm ruined. I just got murdered. Oh my God! I just got murdered so hard.
And he gets rug pulled, losing everything in a single 1-minute candle.
Oh my God! We're at $83,000 market cap. Holy shit! I'm ruined. I just got murdered. Oh my God! I just got murdered so
It
hard.
kinda,
Less
to be honest with you, it kind of seemed like an ad or something, or like it wasn't real. Just like some of the like I can't even think of the word right now, but like the vibe he's giving off doesn't feel real to me. But I mean, it could be, but it just doesn't feel real. Like this one doesn't feel
learn,
real. to
don't
me.
mess around with a token if there are only 635 people holding it. Not only can you be rugged if the developers hold the majority and dump it, but there's also low liquidity and high manipulation risk. Although sometimes even prepared and strategic
Okay, so PW I watch like almost every single day. Like PW is so Patrick Whelan or Whalen, however you pronounce it. Dude is so hilarious, and the chat is so hilarious. I literally trade every day. Like I might like some days I might only be on there for 5 minutes because I just want to be done for the day. But PW is so hilarious of a trader, man. He's just a funny guy.
traders can lose, as Patrick Weiland demonstrates in this next clip. He has decided to go short on TCS during pre-market, a decision.
Okay, so this is back when he traded stocks. So this had to be like 2019, 2020 or something like that. He mostly, at least, well, I can't say he only trades futures, but a majority of the time he's trading futures. He just recently opened up his own prop firm called Warbucks. And they started being, you can trade crypto. It's originally a crypto prop firm, but you can also trade stocks on there as well now too. And he just recently started trading stocks here and there. But he's mostly, like, as far as I've known him, like, he's mostly doing futures. Like, the last year and a half that I've been, like, really locked in on trading futures.
He will end up regretting.
And also, the overall market's red today. The overall market gapped down big this morning. So I'm just thinking we might just get a big sell-off in the overall market today. This should be fun either way. It's going to be a fun one. I can guarantee you that. It's not looking very good right now. But screw it. We're just going to hold it. We're going to go for it.
The overall market is down, but this stock doesn't show any signs of fall.
And let me say, he's a decent trader now. He, in my opinion, if he were to look at this now, he would probably be long. But he is a decent trader now. He mostly trades NASDAQ futures, but
751 is going to be my stop loss. That's where we're going to get out if this can't work. No volume on this thing right now. I need some more volume. There's some more volume. Come on, baby. Get below that 730. Start selling.
He needs volume to push the price in his favor, but his pre-market trade is not helping him out on this one.
We're just get below
Oh,
730.
pre-market. I didn't even look at
Come on.
that.
Sell, baby. Sell it. 731 seller. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Get this VWAP here. I think we're going down. Seller stacking up there. Level 2. Look at all the sellers. Come on, baby.
Finally, the trade seems to be going in his
Man, I
favor,
feel
but
bad
things
for
are
him 'cause I
about to
already
take a
know it's gonna
turn.
go
Here we
bad.
go. Come on, 725. Break it. Right here. 725. Go. All right, 751. My stop there. Let's see if we're going to get stopped
Dang,
out here.
he's down decent.
All right. Getting out of it. That's what happens. Play big boy games, and You get burnt.
and his stop is hit. A gentle reminder to not trade pre-market. Of course, it isn't gentle for him.
All that. So when you do leave a comment and you talk about how bad I am, just be nice. Because remember, I lost the money today. I lost money, not you guys.
Now I will say is the only reason yo PW, if you ever see this, do not. I doubt you ever see this, but like, don't think me laughing as like me happy that you lost money, but it's just how much shit you talk, bro. Like, I get it because I think I may have seen a different video of you losing money because I don't remember this crying part. But it's crazy. Like now I do see like when you're losing money, you do have a tail that is bothering you. I can't explain it in words, but when I see it, I know that you're like it's bothering you.
His biggest loss of
But you'll never let the chat know that. You will never let the chat know that it's bothering you, but you have a tail, bro. Like, you should never play poker because your tail is so obvious.
2018, $1,200. And if you think that Patrick's
that's not too
reaction
bad.
was emotional, wait till you see the Wolfman's reaction to his loss.
Dang.
Wolfman is going short on
150.
Apple, and things are about to get intense.
There's no way the stock is above 120 as soon as the earnings are out. The algos are going to be selling, and then it's going to be like a
See, this is the thing that's so hard. So I've traded earnings before. It is so stressful because... So when I have traded earnings, I've mostly just sold. So I would do like, I would sell options because of the volatility and all that jazz. Like, it just makes sense to sell options. But the thing is if that thing gaps against you, like hard, like it is stressful. Like a majority of the time, you know, if you're trading well, I mean, well, I can't even say you're trading well, but you have decent strikes, and the next day you're like in a decent amount of profit. But man, like, it's stressful when those things really gap against you.
a snowball.
But none of us know. None of us know what's going to happen with earnings. Like, you can kind of guesstimate that based off other earning reports for the season. Well, like, so you have earnings season. So you might guess that earnings might be decent, but then you just never know. Like, sometimes bad earnings will make a stock rally, and then sometimes good earnings will make a stock drop. You just never know what's going to happen.
Effect, you know. Wait a minute, did I see what? No.
But the thing that's crazy is, like, when you look at his other positions, he's up decent amount of money, and it looks like this one just got away
No,
from
wrong way.
yeah, it just got away from him.
Wrong way. No. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Now, see, this is one of the hardest parts to me with trading, because when you're looking at your P&L fluctuate like this, and you see that you're up 12 grand, part of you is like, I should take profit. And then the other part of you is like, oh yeah, this could be the one, you know, where I'm up like 100 grand or like 70 grand or something like that. I'm not saying my number specifically, but I'm just saying that, like, you're thinking that, I'm just going based off his numbers, but when you're thinking like this could be the one that really set like my portfolio to another level. And you see he's happy. Now, this is one of the things that you kind of get as you're trading for a long time, is you have to try and stay as stoic as possible. Like, don't get too excited. Don't get too depressed. And as I already said in the video, like, sometimes I do get depressed, but like, you got to just keep pushing, you know. Like, it's like, trading is one of those weird things where, let's say you're down $500 for the day, and then you place another trade where you could be down another $500, and now you're down $1,000. But then let's say that it just so happens to be a winner, now you're at 1,500. But it's hard to be down money and then continue to trade after the loss. And it's kind of one of those things you kind of have to just continue to do. And that's just been on my mind lately, because I took some losses this week, and I was just like, it's so weird how, like, I'm down money, and then I'm just placing another trade that's down money, and then I'm adding on to the position. So that technically I would potentially be down $1,500 if I was risking 500 per trade. And then the next thing you know, I'm up $1,500, and then you're like, it's weird. It's just weird sometimes, like, when you're placing these positions, and like, sometimes the market just really works in your favor, and sometimes it doesn't. And it's one of those weird things, man. Like, the market it'll mess with you mentally. Like, if you let it will really mess with you.
Yes.
It's up 22.
No.
See? See?
No.
See? 25 grand. Now see, look, now you're down 25 grand and you're like, should I just cut the position and just take the 25 grand loss and I could eventually make it back? But then this is where you kind of like, I don't know what he's trading. I don't know if he's trading like call options or if he's sold options. I don't know how he did this, but I know it's based off we already saw. He's going to be down 150 grand, and it's like it's easier to come back from 25 grand loss versus 150 grand loss. Yeah, that is crazy with the music. But the thing that's also funny is like, so I think last time I saw it was like he was down 18 grand. Now the thing that's funny is like you're like, this position could come back. So why would I take the 18 grand loss? I don't know what his risk management system or whatever he's doing is, but you're like, why would I take the 18 grand loss when this position could possibly come back in my favor? You know, it's one of those things that kind of go in your head. And I think as a beginner trader, you're kind of like panicking. But then like as you start to get more comfortable at risk and like holding your positions, it kind of like it's something that like crosses your mind, but you're not panicking and you don't just click the button. But sometimes you do. And then you take the loss and you're like, sometimes you're like, thank God I took that loss, because you're taking a smaller loss than a bigger loss. But then sometimes, you know, you mess up. Sometimes you move your stops to break even too quickly, or maybe sometimes you take profit too quickly. It's so hard, man. I feel his pain.
Oh my God.
And the trade is a disaster right from the start. Not only does the price go above 120, it smashes right through it. Right now, he's at a 33,000 loss.
So I'm thinking he must have sold calls if he needed it to be below 120, and it keeps rallying.
But it can get much worse.
No! 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 Tom, please, no! Don't do this to me! No! No! No!
Loss is guaranteed at this point. It's just a matter of how much.
Dang, 118.
Please, please.
How is it?
Oh no!
How's
I can't
it?
sell, guys. It's October 125.
Oh, he was live.
Oh my fucking God, dude. Oh my fucking God, dude. I'm so dead.
Dang, all his other positions went horrible as well. Ooh.
At this point,
Yeah.
it's hard to tell if this is even real, but at least there's one silver lining for him. The loss bar stays where it is after this. But for this guy, nothing is definite, and he stands to lose as much as possible. He has over $200,000 in his wallet, and he joined a Telegram group. Those sentences sound unrelated, but
I'm gonna be honest with you. If you're doing something on Telegram where you're taking signals from somebody, for one, Telegram people will scam you. They will scam you so quick. But then also a lot of people will provide these signals that are absolutely like horrible. I don't get why people, like anybody, would take signals from somebody. I can understand, you know, maybe sharing ideas and stuff like that, but paying for signals to me is a waste. If you're ever paying for signals, I would recommend against it. I have heard of people making money from signals, but I haven't seen it. But personally, I just don't trust signals at all.
they aren't.
Yes, bro, I'm positive.
Yeah, I saw that. That's the wall.
Look at the soul scan. Oh my God.
I checked every single
Bro, I
one.
made a new everything. I made a new Telegram and everything. So they're hacked into my PC.
Yeah, but
I can't even.
he's gonna
I need
throw
to
it
factory
away
reset my
and it's
PC.
gone.
They have everything on my PC. I need to factory reset my PC.
You'll never find it.
Yeah, I don't even think you should stream right now, because if you
Oh
have
my God.
PayPal's connected,
Oh my God,
or
I'm
Always be on the lookout for scams, folks, especially when you have crazy sums lying around in your accounts.
Yeah.
This Forex trader
Yeah.
is in a sticky situation with a high balance account, and he
Now, I'm gonna
decides
tell
to
you
go
something
in your
I'm
account.
gonna tell you something that you know as a trader. When people who are trading, or just in life in general, when people have a low battery on their phone, risk taker. It was this study done, I can't remember, and I'm not about to bring it up. There was a study done that I remember reading that said people who have their phone battery below 20% a majority of the time are risk takers, and you should be cautious of them. And the reason why is because your phone allows you to be connected with society, and if you're ever in danger, you need your phone. So people who are more risk adverse will usually have their phone charged above 50% a majority of the time. I think it was 50%, may have been 75%, something like that. But then people who are risk takers are more so gamblers and stuff like that who like to live on the edge will usually be under like 30%, 20 to 30% majority of the time. And when I saw this Forex traders batteries at 20%, tell something.
This Forex
Hang on, this
trader is in a sticky
Yeah, look at that. Low battery, 20% remaining. One of the worst gambles in Forex.
situation.
Now I'll tell you one of the things I've realized about a lot of Forex traders. Oh, and he's trading US 30, which is the Dow, if you don't know, or the YM for futures, US 30 for Forex with CFD brokers. But yeah, usually a lot of Forex people who end up losing a ton of money are trying to trade news like NFP or CPI or something like that, where they might have one position and they just load up on contracts and it goes in their favor based off the news, and then they just make bank. But then a majority of the time they lose a ton of money because they're trading large size, and if it wicks against them, it'll stop them out and then it might go in their favor.
With a high
So I'm curious
balance
how it's gonna
account,
work
and
out
he
this.
decides to go all or nothing.
One of the worst gambles in the Forex market.
Okay, so for one, this isn't in USD. This is in South African ZAR. I think it's South African ZAR. Because I believe it's the South African ZAR. Let me see. Yeah. So it's a South African Rand. That's what was throwing me off. It's the South African Rand, but it's also called the ZAR.
Go, baby. Trading NFP. I know that if it
Yeah,
doesn't.
see, I told you, non-farm payrolls, NFP. I knew it. A lot of these Forex traders who you'll see like on social media and stuff, when they lose a ton of money fast, I swear it's usually because they're trying to trade some news event.
Go my way, I'm blowing this account. Let me add more trades. I know for sure if it doesn't go my way, this account is gone. Lot size 16. How many lot size 16s do I have? Trading with the
Hang on,
best.
you know what? I'm gonna actually go back
Account
and
is gone.
see if I
Lot
can.
size 16.
He's down. So the thing is when you're looking at ZAR. So I'm gonna just put 42,000 ZAR. So that's $2,500. He's down $2,500 USD. Now this is current price. So I'm looking at it current price wise. So I don't know when this video was made, but
How many lot
25,000,
size 16s
2,500.
do I have? Trading with the best broker in the world at RCG Markets. I haven't closed anything today. Oh my God. Let's see how it goes.
This dude is down heavy.
However, the odds are stacked against him. He is trading on info from NFP, or the non-farm payroll, which is a key economic report released by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics every month. It also causes huge market volatility, and he has hundreds of thousands of dollars invested. Yeah, nothing could go wrong.
Let's see.
Hundreds of thousands? Oh, he does have hundreds of thousands. Okay, so let's see what that is. Balance is 409. You know, we're just gonna do 410. So he has about 25 grand US. Man, that's tough, my boy. That's tough. I mean, like, see, the 2,500, I was like, that's not too bad, but 25 grand?
See how NFP go. Oh my
pretty
God.
bad.
Oh my God. Whoa, behave. Oh my God. Guys, this will either make me a lot of money or I'll lose. Oh my God. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Oh, see, look at that. See, no. Now, this is what I was talking about. This is exactly what I was talking about. It's going in his favor right now, but swear in like 3 seconds, everything's red again.
Let's go. Ah!
I told you. I told you.
This shit, man. Forex, dog. Fuck this shit. I'm going. Oh my God. Fuck,
Yeah,
I'm going back to
auto-liquidated.
school, guys.
I don't know about going back to school, but he really should reconsider coming back to trading.
400,000.
That's a heavy
Then it
loss.
starts going up. Ah.
See, that's what I'm saying. Like, it'll go against you, then it'll go in your favor, and then like he was long, so that it went against him, stopped all his positions because he had too much size. Trust me, I've done it. Like, I think in the last video I mentioned having too much size, like for the account. Like, it happens, man. But I wouldn't do like with this. I mean, I've been trading props with these accounts, and I would trade props different than I would trade my actual capital. But yeah, like that, it sucks, bro. It happens all the time, especially with NFP.
Let me go to my other account and buy. Let me buy with lot size 16.
Oh man. So he has another account. He's about to buy again. Now I swear, like this thing is about to go short. I know it's about to go short.
On the other account, because the other account is gone.
Let's
see how this account goes. I'll update you guys.
400,000 South African rand lost, which is around 20,000 US dollars. It's a wonder how he sounds so unfazed. And although Patrick isn't losing $20,000 in this next clip, this was
okay. PW again. Oh, he's trading ES. So this is a micro ES. So this definitely has to be a little bit more recent.
Obviously a huge amount for him in those days. He has made 3 trades for the day, out of which 2 were winners and 1 was a...
What type of time frame is he using? Like this price action looks terrible. Yeah, I can't see it. This has to be like a 1 minute.
Loser. Now he sits at a close profit of $80. Unfortunately, that won't last for long.
There we go. Finally moving in the direction that we're looking for. Let's see if we can't get a push up here to
Okay, so I will say this is New York Open because I see 9:30 a.m. He's in Florida, so I'm pretty sure that like this is New York Open, and you can see the volatility. And now trading at Open is so tough because it's the volatility is almost like I won't say it's the same as NFP, but as you can see, you have this huge wick to the upside, and you have this huge bearish candle to the downside. And I've got like I trade around the Open. Sometimes I get this move, and I move my stops like quick enough to capture a decent chunk of this, and then sometimes I'll also go short and I capture a decent part of this move. But then sometimes I end up buying, like my order might get slipped, and I might end up buying here, and I'm like already mad, and I might take profit up here, and then I might go long again at the top, and then I end up taking a loss, and then I end up having to make it back. You know what I'm saying? Like it sucks. But then sometimes I can be done for the day within like, you know, a couple minutes. But then sometimes I'm like, dang, now I gotta sit here and continue to trade until I make the money back. It sucks.
getting denied again there. Feeling like we're gonna get stopped out here. Stopped me out and then went right back.
I didn't even see
again.
he was long. Oh, okay, I see. So I guess this was his entry price. And to be honest, with this type of price action, I would most likely feel more comfortable with shorts than longs. But I don't have any of my indicators up to really give me a decent signal, so I don't know.
There, feeling like we're gonna get stopped out here. Stopped me out and then went right back up. Coincidence? I think not.
Price barely hits his stop before rushing to the other direction, and now the P&L has reversed. Unlucky, but not
That's
the
not
worst
too
luck
bad.
he'll experience in this trade.
Oh, damn.
201s.
He's trading a micro, so like if he was trading minis, this would be like $687 of loss, which it hurts, especially within the first few minutes of the day.
200s.
Oh, see, I was talking about short. You ended up going short. I mean, just the price action was just seeming like shorts would be a little bit higher probability to me.
250s.
With that opening candle, it just sometimes you get it right, sometimes you get it wrong. Oh. Yeah.
250. See if we can break below 200 here on these last 2 contracts. What a time to be alive. I should have gotten out here on this candle. I don't know why I like waited for my stop to get hit, but that's the great thing about trading, right? It's easy to hold on to your losers and it's hard to hold on to your winners.
That's true,
Yeah,
and with
that's
that,
true.
he's back at break even. Not for long.
All right, we're gonna jump in there. 9.
And see, this is what I was kind of talking about earlier, where you're up, and then sometimes it's like better to just call it a day. You know what I'm saying? Like even when you're not up a lot of money, when you're trading with leverage, especially on these shorter time frames, just pure speculation. No like macro fundamentals or like, you know, nothing to really give you super edge from like, you know, that everybody's piled into this position. You're just going based off technicals and just the price action and kind of like, to be honest with you, I feel like when we're scalping or like day trading or speculating, it's just pure vibes. Like you're just trading off the vibe. You can theoretically have an edge, but at some point everybody's edge is no longer an edge. you know, and then you're just, it's no longer an edge and it's a pure goon. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's an inside joke. I don't know if anybody is into internet culture, but yeah, your edge just turns into a pure goon and you're fucked. You know what I'm saying?
950. See if we
Oh
can
my
get this
god.
bounce.
Is he long again? He does do this. He still does this to this day. He still does it to this day. Like, he'll still try and short or go long these massive downtrend moves, and he'll still try. Like, I don't really see him too much try and short rallies, but he will occasionally really try and go long on these huge down moves. And but you know, sometimes he's right. He calls it, and I'm like, dang, I wish I would have got that.
Off
But
of
you
this.
know, oh, I could see. Okay, I could see why he wouldn't be short up here. I mean, this is a decent move to the upside. Yeah, I can see
Area
it.
here.
I can see it.
Can't get a bounce. What am I doing? Fighting the trend, baby. We're fighting the trend today. Definitely fighting the trend. I'm not sure whose idea that.
In my opinion, like, really? Oh, dang. Wait, what? Wasn't his position up here?
Off of this area.
Oh, yeah. So he already took another loss. Yeah, he definitely got stopped out, and then he went long again. I will say that, in my opinion, the momentum is to the downside, but the trend is up. But for this, I would have most likely, my signals probably would have been short. And I probably would have taken it and been nervous trying to go short.
Area here. Can't get a bounce. What am I doing? Fighting the trend, baby. We're fighting the trend today. Definitely fighting the trend. I'm not sure whose idea that was. I got absolutely just demolished right there. Just stopped out. Went right back up.
You don't fight the trend. It is the trend for a
Yeah,
reason, and you should only
it's
go
tough.
against it when you have a very strong reason to do so. He went against it in this trade and got punished for it.
I'm gonna jump in there.
Okay.
Based on what
See, now he's down $172. I'm thinking that he would have probably been down. I don't know how many contracts. It looks like he might be trading. Yeah, he has to be just trading one mini. I'm just assuming he's trading one mini or one micro. Or maybe the volatility was just low at this point because it looks like he has 10. Oh, but this is also the ES.
the spy's
But
doing.
yeah, that would have been like $1,700. If we trading
She wants to
minis.
reverse here, but I've been wrong before. It's terrible. It's really bad. Really bad right now. I'm just gonna. No.
It's hard to imagine that he had over $100 in closed profits on this trade at one point, and now he's down $360. But at least he got a trade fair and square. Unlike this next trader, now he's down $360. But at least
See, this is kind of going into like just trading the momentum. Like this is like, so now I feel as though PW will most likely have taken that. It's a bear flag. You know, I would view this as like somewhat of a bear. Like I would have been short from here or like up here. But yeah, it's definitely like bear flag. And I'm like, I think he would have definitely been short now.
he got a trade fair and
But you know, sometimes he does still, like I said, he does try and take
square.
those longs.
Unlike this
catch a
next
falling
trader
knife.
who goes neck and neck against a kid. This kid
Boy, this dude got the haircut like he's scared.
in particular looks like he's going to rug his viewers. Rugging is when you create hype around a token you own a lot of, then sell it and disappear or act like you did it by accident. For now, keep an eye on the price.
Keeping war.
This boy looked like he about to be like, I was trying to delete the virus. Yo, I wish my editing skills were pure because I would implant that video into this video because it's a little kid and his mom. I think he broke his computer or something. And he was watching something he shouldn't have been watching, and he was like to his mom. I'm sorry, I'm not. Like, I know my microphone's loud, so I'm not trying to laugh too hard. But like, he was like, "I was trying to delete the virus." Yo, here you go. I'm gonna have to bring it up. I have to bring it up. Yeah, here we go. Let's look at this. This should be it.
Searching around the internet.
Oh my gosh. Okay, listen.
No, I was searching around the Mom. I was searching around the internet, and all of a sudden I was downloading this thing, and I got a computer virus.
I want to see it. Show me what you were downloading.
I already deleted the virus! Oh my god, Mom! I had a computer virus, and I got scared that I had the virus.
Oh my god.
And when I was getting out of my chair, my pants were slipping, and I was pulling them up and getting back on the chair. I got scared, and my pants slipped down a little, and I was pulling them up. Mom, I'm telling the truth.
Oh my god.
I'm serious.
Oh my god.
I'm serious. I have a virus.
Oh my god. It's so funny. I was trying to delete the virus. This is what this kid looks like to me. Oh my god.
Or what's good?
Bro.
No way, 1 million?
Bro. Oh my god, I would have bid it so hard. Bro, I wish I saw this sooner. At like 300K, I don't want to top blast $1 million.
I'm top blasting it.
And he has been rugged. See the spike to the 500K? That was it. And although it has climbed back up now, he has sold and doesn't have the token anymore. But it gets worse.
I shouldn't have sold, bro. I thought it was gonna go down to like 100K. I wanted to rebuy if it dipped. Not even rebuy, honestly. I probably wouldn't have, but if it, maybe I would have. Like, I did not think it'd actually eat that fast. I don't know, it's not working. Dude, why did I sell? This was legendary. It was so funny. Why did I sell?
Get back in?
This goes higher, I think.
Oh man, what the heck? He's gonna probably get back in, and then that's when it's gonna rug.
Probably.
Now the price sits at $3 million. He could have made so much money, and to top it all off, he gets MEV'd.
Did I get top wicked? Oh, wait, did I get top wicked? I got top wicked, and then I get MEV'd! No! You little bastard!
No way. Holy
You robbed me, you little bastard!
Thanks for the 20 bandos.
What the
Yo, thanks for the 20 bandos! That is so funny! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Thanks for the 20 bandos, loser! That's so funny! Oh my god! I gotta rewind it.
You robbed me, you little bastard!
Thanks for the 20 bandos.
What the
Yo!
Oh my god!
Yo!
Oh my god!
Yo!
Dude! Nah!
He's streaming it.
You-
He's streaming it.
Yo!
Nah,
Oh
kid!
my god, dog! Here you go. Let's finish this out.
Oh my god.
No.
That's bad luck if you've ever seen it, as all of these videos have shown the importance of staying vigilant even when you're not trading. If something like Telegram is enough to threaten hundreds of thousands of dollars, think of all those sites that are even less credible.
Okay, so yeah, like I said, man, Telegram, I would not mess with it. To be honest, I don't think you should really do too much with people when it comes to financial stuff, because it's so easy to scam people and to take their money and never be caught or whatever. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope I was able to provide some type of value to you. Until next time, peace.
Man, even Jesus had a shooter, and God be having unbelievers that didn't mess up their demeanor. And yes, they know it's hard, they know, cause when they be up in those trenches, man, they show